Omental plugging is a reliable technique for perforation closure when the wound edges are friable and for large perforations more than 1 cm. Well vascularized pedicle of omentum is mobilized to the perforation site. First bite is taken in the healthy tissue just close to perforation site and enter the perforation. Then take a bite on omentum and re-enter at the same site close to the entry point. Sutures are not tied and holded with the artery forceps. Usually 1 or 2 anchoring bites are needed to create a omental plug. After taking the anchoring bites, omentum is pushed gently into the perforation site and previously placed sutures are tied to secure omentum into the perforation site. The omentum is placed snugly without tension and without cutting the vessels. Place 5 to 6 muscular sutures around the perforation site through the healthy tissue near the perforation site and fix the omentum to it. For perforation closure, 20 or 30 silk or vicryl is used. It is not useful for very large perforations and gangrenous and necrotic ulcers. Take the bites around the perforation without compromising blood supply to omentum. This is pedicled omental plug. Free omental plugging may be used sometimes and can be done in laparoscopic procedures. Thank you.